Hey girl, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blue Blood palette. I've had this sitting in my collection for a few months now. I've only done one video on it, which was the Ariana Grande music video. If you haven't seen it, I'll have it right here and I'll have it linked down below so you can go check it out. But after this video, that's the only video I've ever used this in, and I've only used it I think one other time besides that. So I really wanted to do a tutorial on Tuesday since I'm going to be uploading Monday through Friday. I didn't want to bore you guys with review. I wanted to do reviews and tutorials and some other fun things like challenges in the mix. Now, I wasn't able to get my hands on the Shane Dawson Conspiracy Theory or the Bloodlust palette. Therefore, I am using the Blue Blood. I know it's an older palette, but it's something that I really wanted to put to good use. I really wanted to do a tutorial with this today. If you haven't already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button to join the KP family, and also hit that like button because it'll really help me out with this algorithm. Even if you're just passing on by, you watch for 1 to 2 minutes, hit that like button before you exit off this video, and also comment down below on what your favorite color is. Mine isn't blue, it's pink. And without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. The primer I'm using today is the Game Set Matte Primer from Makeup Obsession. I found this at Target. You can get this at your local Target. I'm not sure if you can get it anywhere else, but if you can, I will let you guys know down below. For foundation, surprise, surprise, I am actually not using the Too Faced Born This Way today. I did self-tan. It didn't get as dark as I don't know, maybe it did get dark as like I would like it. I'm just not used to it, or to me it looks the same. I'm not sure. But I did self-tan today to match my L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Freshwear Foundation. If you guys haven't seen this yet, I have a video on it. I'll link it down below so you can go check it out. So I discovered a new technique of applying foundation last night, and I really want to try it. I forgot who it was, but I'll have it down below. I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Dark, and we're gonna apply this where we would want to contour. For the nose, I'm gonna do powder contour, so I'm not gonna touch that at all. From here, I'm going to take my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Sand. I liked the way that the girl that I found, how she did her makeup. She's hoping this will let me get through my face because it keeps, I don't know what's happening. So as I was saying, I liked how the girl's video that I found, she strategically placed every single concealer in a certain way. So this is my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium Honey. I'm going to start off by blending out my foundation with my NYX flat shader brush. I'm going to take the rest of the foundation that's on the back of my hand and place it wherever I need extra coverage. My fake tan, my ears are definitely going to have to get covered today. I'm going in with the Morphe G30 brush and blending the concealer. Now what I'm gonna go do is blend in the rest of the face. Just make sure it blends really well and try to blend as much as I can for the contour, because I know it looks harsh right now, but I'm definitely gonna get this. And then don't forget your jawline. I'm going to take a tad bit more foundation. I'm going to apply this, kind of like cleaning up the contour. And also what I'm going to do is blend the foundation up so it really blends well together. Powder, as you all know, Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder under the eye. Maybelline Fit Me powder in shade 30 around the rest of my face. I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the excess. I'm going to be taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. You guys know I've been using this in the last few of my videos. I am recently obsessed with it. Today, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown and the Dip Brow in the shade also Dark Brown. I think my dip brows dried out, so I went in with my Ka-Brow in the shade number 5. Because I don't remember if there's a lot of fallout from this palette, I'm going to place some more powder underneath my eyes. For eye primer, I'm just going to take some concealer, my Tarte Shape Tape that I used earlier. We're gonna start off with taking Blue Monday. We're gonna apply this in the crease. I'm taking Undertaker on a separate brush. I'm applying this on the outer half. I'm gonna take, it's not clean because I used it on the other side, but it is essentially clean. Like there's no excessive product on it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out the edges. I'm going to take I'm Cold on a Morphe M433 brush and go along the outer edges. We're going to repeat the steps. Take some Blue Monday, pack it on in there because we really want it to be pigmented. Then go in with more of Undertaker to soften the edges. And take some more I'm Cold. I'm taking some concealer. We're taking the Tarte Shape Tape that we used earlier. Now, I recommend this brush to every single person that wants to do cut creases. If you want to learn how to do cut crease, this Morphe M421 brush is going to be your best friend. What I'm going to do is start carving out the crease. A flat shader brush. This is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Collection JH41. I'm going to take Cullinan and just pack that all over my lid. Going in with a flat shader brush. This is like a squared off tip. I'm going in with Entitled. Actually, I'm gonna do Flourishing to give myself a bit of a base. I'm starting to mix in Ocean Ice. And this is essentially my ombre liner. Sorry, I forgot to mention. I'm going to be putting a bit of a base for the outer corner, taking Undertaker. I'm taking Entitled. We're just applying Entitled where we applied Flourishing. Then we're going in with Ocean Ice. On the same brush, I just wiped it off. I'm taking some of my setting spray. You can use whatever setting spray you're using or water. I'm going to take Entitled, take Ocean Ice. Let's see, applying Undertaker in the outer corner really does help give it a nicer ombre effect, even though essentially we're just using the same color. We're going to gently wipe off the excess since I do have powder still on there. What I'm gonna do, instead of rubbing it all the way across, we're going to just lightly take it off. Just a little bit, and then wipe it off, then lightly take it off again, wipe it off, so that you're not dragging the blue across your face. So once you wipe once, wipe it on a towel. The towel I have is just an old raggedy towel my boyfriend gets from work. Flat shader brush, and it's a little stubby one. Taking Blue Monday on the lower lash line. Then I'm taking Undertaker. I'm going to take a pencil brush, put some Minty on that, and then apply this in the inner corner. For liner, I'm going to take my Pixie Endless Silky Eye Pen in the shade Black Blue. Then I'm taking my lash glue, a little dot on the inner corner, and I want to try to match it as best I can to the other side. I'm using a glitter, and this is from the brand Recollections. You can just find these at Michael's or wherever Walmart. I want to say Walmart has them. Okay, so I'm gonna apply my lash glue to my Lily lashes in the style Mykonos. While I wait for those to dry, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. I'm still waiting for my lashes to get tacky, so I'm gonna start working on my nose. I'm excited about this. I really wanted to put this in this video. I just received this in the mail, and this is the new Georgia blush from Benefit. I want to say they already had a Georgia blush, but this is a new shade of Georgia. You're wrong. It's a new shade. That's all it says in the front. It's super cute. This packaging is adorable. Look at the plaid on there. This is so cute. You guys want to see the shade? It's cute because it has a bit of a glow to it too. I want to say they re-released this, and it might still be up. If not, I am so sorry, but they did re-release it a couple weeks ago, I want to say. And this is the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero highlighting palette. I was looking forever in my collection for an icy blue highlighting shade. I know with the peach, it's probably gonna be a little weird. I think I'll make it work. But this is the only one in my collection that is going to be that icy color that I really wanted. Don't worry, this is gonna get blended in case you guys are like, what the? Okay, I'm taking this also along my collarbone. I'm taking Downtown Beauty from NYX. This is the suede line. For my lipstick, I'm taking the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Starfish. I'm finishing this look off, even though I'm not going anywhere, with the Beauty Bakery Sweet Grace Setting Spray. I love the smell of this. By the way, this does have fragrance in it, so if you don't like fragrance. I'm usually not a fan of the scents in, well, it depends on the scent, but some of the sprays that have scents in it, sometimes I don't like it, but I love the scent of like anything baking related. So this does have like a vanilla extract scent to it. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a like if you haven't already. Also hit that subscribe button to join the K-Babe family if you are not part of the K-Babe family. And comment down below on what tutorial you'd like to see next so I can start getting my stuff together and ideas of what to do. So I hope you guys do like it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!